So we continue with our exercise 1.6 of rational numbers, and we are on sum number 10 on page number 28. So sum number 10, A, B, C and D and E went to a restaurant for dinner. A paid half of the bill, B paid 1/5 of the bill, and the rest of the bill was shared equally by C, D and E. What fraction of the bill was paid by each? So that's what we need to find out. We need to find out what fraction was paid by each. That is by C, D and E. So first of all, what we'll do is that, see, there are two methods of doing this thing. Either you can take that, let the total amount be 100, or you can take it as X. It's your choice. What do you want to take? I think now you are grown up enough to take X rather than taking 100, because 100 will be too simple, and in fact you need to enhance your knowledge about this thing. So I think you should take X. So we'll take, let the total bill be X. Therefore, amount paid by A is equals to half X. Okay, because he paid half of the amount, so it's half X. Amount paid by B is equals to 1 upon 5X, right? So now we want to know that what is the ratio, what is the thing what C, D and E paid. Okay, so amount remaining is equals to X minus 1 upon 2X plus 1 upon 5X. See, let's understand this thing. See, the total value was X. उसमें से A ने दे दिया 1 upon 2X और B ने भर दिया 1 upon 5X. So जो भी बचा है, that is the one what is C, D and E are going to share with each other. So accordingly we have X minus, now the LCM of this is 10, so it is 5X plus 2X upon 10. So it's X minus 7X upon 10. Now the LCM is 10, so it will be 10X minus 7X upon 10. Accordingly, the answer to this will be equal to 3X upon 10. So that means 3X upon 10 is the balance amount. So balance amount is equals to 3X upon 10, which is paid by C, D and E. Therefore, each part is equals to 3X upon 10 divided by 3. This is shared by these 3 people equally, so it is divided by 3. So it is equals to 3X upon 10 into 1 upon 3. So that is going to be 1 upon 10X. Therefore, each paid 1/10 of bill. Okay, so that's the answer, that each and every paid 1/10 of the total bill value, because that is what is we are getting as the answer for division of 3X upon 10 divided by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. It is 1/10 of the total bill is paid by C, D and E. Okay, that was sum number 10. We now move on to sum number 11. Okay, sum number 11, here it is. 2 upon 5 of total number of students of a school come by car, while 1/4 of the students come by bus to school. All the other students walk to the school, of which 1/3 walk on their own and the rest are escorted by their parents. If 224 students come to school walking on their own, how many students study in that school? So that's the thing, that first of all we are told that the total number of schools may 2/5 come by car. So students come by car is equals to 2 upon 5x. We'll take the total number of students to be x. So yeah, we'll write that thing. Let total students be x. Therefore, students by car is equals to 2 upon 5x. Okay. 1/4 come by bus. Students by bus is equals to 1 upon 4x. Okay. All others walk to school, of which 1/3 of on their own. Of which 1/3. So 1/3 of the school, the boys who are coming by walking, they are on their own, while the other are with parents. Okay, so 1/3 of the rest जो है, that, so what we'll do is that we'll first find out what are the number of students who are coming walking. Therefore, students who walk is equals to x minus 2 upon 5x plus 1 upon 4x, because that's the number of students who come by walking. So accordingly it will be x minus LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So it is 10x plus, so sorry, not 10x. We are multiplying by 4, so it will be 8x plus 5x upon 20. So that is x minus, this is going to be 13x upon 20. LCM now is 20, so it will be 20x minus 13x upon 20 is equals to 7x upon 20. So these are the students who are walking to school. And out of the students who are coming walking to school, you can say that 1/3 of 7x upon 20 walk on their own. Okay, they are given that 1/3 of all the students walk to school, of which 1/3 walk on their own and the rest are escorted by the parents. If 224 students come to school walking on their own, so that means this value is given to you as 224. So I can write over here that 224 is equals to 1 upon 3 into 7x upon 20. So this becomes 224 into 3 into 20 upon 7 is equals to x. So 7 3s are 21 and 2s are 14. So that will give me as 32 into 3 is 96. 96 into 2 is 192. So it's 1920 is equals to x. Okay. I just cross check. 96 in 32 into 3 is 96. These are 96. Yeah, 96. And 96 into 2 is 12 and 80, 90, 192. Yeah, that's right. So this is the value. So the total students is equals to 1920. But I think that was not the question. Yeah, that is the question. How many students study in that school? So the total number of students studying in the school are 1920. So 1920 students are studying in that particular school. Right, so that was sum number 11. We now move on to sum number 12. Okay, sum number 12. Here we are. A mother and her 2 sons got a room constructed for 60,000. The elder son contributed 3/8 of his mother's contribution, while younger son contributes 1/2 of the mother's share. How much do the three contribute individually? Okay, so the total cost. So we know that the total cost is equals to rupees 60,000. It's a tricky sum, so let's understand it properly. They're given that the total sum is 60,000. The elder son contributes 3/8 of his mother's contribution, while the younger son contributes 1/2 of his mother's share. Okay, so that is what they are giving you, that they are going to be, the elder son is going to, whatever is the mother's share, uska 3/8 is what he's giving. So what we'll do is that we'll take, let the mother's share be X. Okay, we'll take the mother's share to be X. So let mother's share is equals to X. Therefore, elder son share is equals to rupees, how much? It's 3/8, right? So it is 3/8x, and younger son share is equals to 1/2x, because he gave half of the mother's share. So accordingly we have that x plus 3/8x plus 1/2x is equals to 60,000. Okay, whatever mother gave plus 3/8 of mother's share and 1/8 of the shares are the total shares of each and every one, will total to 60,000. So the LCM over here is 8, so that gives me 8x plus 3x plus 4x upon 8 is equals to 60,000. Therefore this is 8 plus 7, 15, 15x upon 8 is equals to 60,000. That will give me x is equals to 60,000 upon or into 8 upon 15. So 15 4s are, so it is 4,000. So that will give me rupees 32,000. So that means that mother's share is equals to rupees 32,000. Elder son is equals to 3/8 into 32,000. That will give me as rupees 12,000. And younger son is equals to half of 32,000 is equals to rupees 16,000. Okay, so that's the answer: 32,000, 12,000 and 16,000. These are the three values which the three people contribute to individually for this particular making of the room: 32, 12 and 16,000 each. Got it? This was the sum. So here slightly trickier. You need to take the x as the mother share and then do it, and then you know that this complete combination is equals to 60,000. Find the value of x and then you find out this value and this value. That was sum number 12. We now move on to sum number 13. Okay, sum number 13. In a class of 56 students, the number of boys is 2/5 of the number of girls. Okay. Find the number of boys and girls. So we already know that total students is equals to 56. Now let girls be x. Therefore boys will be, it's given that boys are 2/5 of the girls, so it's 2/5 of girls, so that will be 2/5x. See, what here we are doing is that whatever is the information given to us that boys are 2/5 of girls, इसलिए girls को हम लोग x ले लेंगे, so that we are having this value as boys as 2/5 of girls and 2/5 of x. Now you very well know that 56 is nothing but the sum of the boys and the girls. So accordingly we have over here that x plus 2/5 of x is equals to 56. Girls plus boys equals to 56. That is what is given to you. So accordingly, LCM over here is 5. So it is 5x plus 2x is equals to 56. So 7x is equals to 7x upon 5 is equal to 56. Accordingly, x is equal to 56 up into 5 upon 7. So that's 8 is equals to 40. So girls are 40 and boys will be 16. So girls is equals to 40 and boys is equals to 2 upon 5 into 40. It's going to be equal to 16. So boys are 16 and girls are 40. So that's the answer for sum number 13, that boys are going to be 16 and girls are 40. We now move on to sum number 14. Okay, I think it's a bigger one. Okay, sum number 14. A man donated 1/10 of his money to a school, 1/6 of the remaining to a church, and the remaining money he distributed equally among his 3 children. If each children gets 50,000, how much money did the man originally have? Okay, so yeah, we'll take this way. Let total amount be rupees X. Therefore, first is to church, to school. Okay, to school is equals to 1/10 of X is equals to 1 upon 10 X. To church is equals to, okay, it's 1/6 of the remaining. So we'll have to find out the remaining first. So remaining is equals to x minus 1 upon 10x, which is equal to 10x minus x upon 10 is equals to 9x upon 10. Therefore, to church is equals to 1/6 of 9x upon 10. So that cancels to 2s are 3s are, it's equals to 3x upon 20. That's the amount given to the church. And then, the remaining he distributes equally among his 3 children. Okay, so now he has given this much. Out of this much, he has given this much to the church, right? So remaining is equals to 9x upon 10 minus 3x upon 20. LCM is going to be 20, so it is 18x minus 3x is equals to 15x upon 20, which is nothing but 5 3s are 5 4s are, so 3 upon 4x. So the total amount of 3 upon 4x was divided by him to his 3 children. So therefore 3 upon 4x was divided among 3 kids. Therefore, each share is equals to 3 upon 4x divided by 3 is equals to 3x upon 4 into 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 4x. Now it's already given that each child is getting 50,000. So therefore 1 upon 4x is equals to 50,000. So x is equals to 50,000 into 4 is equals to 2 lakh rupees. So total is equals to rupees 2 lakh. So the total amount what the man had was originally what he had got is 2 lakh rupees. So that's the answer for sum number 14. We now move on to sum number 15. That's sum number 15. If 1/4 of the number is added to 1/3 of that number, the result is 15 greater than half of that number. Okay, so this is very tricky. Okay, we'll have to read it properly one by one and see what is to be done. So first thing is that 1/4 of a number. So first of all, what we'll do is then let the number, because we need to find out the number, so let the number be x. So let the number be x. Therefore, you got 1/4 of the number. So 1/4 of number is equals to 1 upon 4x is added to 1/3 of the number. So 1/3 of number is equals to 1 upon 3x. So you are going to add this number. So 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 3x. Now they say that this is, the result is 15 greater than half of that number. So this is greater. So automatically I will say is equals to half of the number plus 15. See, this thing is bigger. By how much? 15. Therefore, if I add half of the number to 15, I will get the sum of this thing. I can also write it in the form that 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 3x minus 1 upon 2x is equals to 15. Because the difference between the sum of this thing and the half of the number is 15. So you can do it this way also. Or you can put minus 15 here also, it's one and the same. So anyway, you can take any of these methods or do it. So let's take this method and then you are taking on this side. So accordingly over here, you have got the LCM. So first find out this particular part. LCM will be 3x plus 4x upon 12 minus 1 upon 2x is equals to 15. So 7x upon 12 minus 1 upon 2x is equals to 15. Accordingly, you have the LCM again as 12. So it is 7x minus 6x is equals to 15. Hence I get x upon 12 is equals to 15. Therefore, x is equals to 15 into 12. So 15, well, is 180. Therefore, the number is equals to 180. Okay, so the number what we need to find out is 180. That's the sum number 15. We move on to the last sum of this exercise, that is also the chapter, that is sum number 16. Okay, sum number 16, the last sum. A student was asked to multiply a given number by 4 upon 5. By mistake, he divided the given number by 4 upon 5. His answer was 36 more than the correct answer. What was the given number? Okay, so you are told that a number was to be multiplied by 4 upon 5. So first of all, let number be x. Therefore, after, okay, so you say, therefore correct answer is equals to, we are multiplying by 4 upon 5, so it will be 4 upon 5x. But incorrect answer, because it divided it by it, so accordingly it will be x divided by 4 upon 5 is equals to x multiplied by 5 upon 4 is equals to 5 upon 4x. And he said that his answer was 36 more than the correct answer. So this answer is bigger than this answer. So you can see that 5 upon 4x, okay, minus 4 upon 5x is equals to 36. So LCM over here is 20. So it is 20. This is 5, so 25x minus 16x is equals to 36. So that gives me as 9x upon 20 is equals to 36. So x is equals to 36 into 20 upon 9. 9 fours are, so x is equals to 80. Therefore, the number, we need to find out the number. Therefore, number is equals to 80. Got it? So this was your sum number 16, right? That was the exercise. Now, of course, your homework because we have done all the sums, so definitely you will be having your homework. So first, the homework is the solved examples. There are 7 solved examples before the exercise 1.6. That are your homework, and also in due course of time, you will need to do the check your progress on page number 34. They are having the 12 sums over there, the total exercise, small exercise which is there of check your progress. That you need to do as homework. So your homework for the complete chapter will be the yeah, of course not. I mean, this part of the chapter will be the solved examples before 1.6, and finally the check your progress to complete the whole chapters. Okay, so that is we complete the chapter rational numbers over here. Right, that's it. Okay, thank you.